Hey, I'm Chris with AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I want to talk about and compare the two popular scooters on the market for traveling. The Solax Transformer, it's a power fold, and the new fold down carry-on scooter by Golden. Both are good scooters. The difference between the two, first of all, these are 6 inches by 1.5. and these are going to be 6 by 2, so wider tires, a little bit better rubber than that. And at the back, both are 7. This one's a 3-inch, and this one's like a 2.36. Both are lithium-ion batteries. The cool part about the Golden carry-on or fold down is that you can remove the battery and take this inside and charge it through here, so you don't have to take the whole unit in. Where you can remove the battery on the Transformer, but you need a docking station to charge it, so that's an extra cost to you. Plus the price point on this is a lot better. This unit comes with a 18-mile battery range. It's not a TSA approved battery, but they do have a TSA approved battery coming out. It's going to be about a 7.4 mile range. This one gives you, I think it's like a 12-mile battery range. Both of them have tillers that can be adjusted back to the person. This one's going to come with a cup holder. It's also going to come with a USB charger. It's also going to come with a light package, a horn. So let me show you how they fold up and how this one folds down. Both will have an off-board charger. Again, you can charge the scooter with the battery pack right into the tiller at the top, or you can remove the battery and charge it directly to the battery. That's like a very cool feature. With the Solax, you have to charge it at the back of the unit. So it's a little bit more convenient at the tiller on the carry-on. A little bit more convenient right here charging compared to going back here. You have to turn the unit on, and they do have a wireless remote, which is neat. So it'll start folding up eventually. All right, so let's move on. We'll come back to that. How to fold this down. Seat comes right off. 12 pounds. Flip back arms. 12 pounds. The seats are the same. You cannot remove this seat. The battery can come right out to make it a little bit lighter. This is 6 pounds. I believe this scooter is about 47 pounds with the battery. This folds down, and then you have the tiller that brings it down. You have many handles to grab at the front and then at the side. So by the time this takes to fold up, you can have this thing taken apart. Both of them can be wheeled around like a suitcase. And again, this one can also be done. Let me show you that real quick. So, this is the Solax Carry On, and this is the Solax Transformer, and then this is the Golden Buzzaround fold down. Thank you, AffordableMedicalUSA.com.